So here it is, my dream car, finally got it. Still shaken up, still don't understand. Like when I look in my garage now, this is what I own. Didn't think I was gonna be able to get it this quick, but worked hard enough for it and sold the MPS pretty quickly. Aiden, I hope you're still looking after it. Yeah, and bought my dream car, my Evo 8 GSR. It's not an MR. I know in one of the clips the interior badge has MR. No, it's not an MR. Picked it up for a good price. It pretty much got imported, and that is basically it. It's had a little bit of mods here and there. Nothing crazy though, as I want to be able to build this myself. So it's got engine wise, bone stock, everything. I can show you under the hood. There's not much to see. It's literally a bone stock Evo. My bonnet does only weigh a couple of kilos, and that you can tell a couple of the things is a painted carbon fiber bonnet. So yeah, stock looking, but carbon fiber. Fitment issues is only a touch different, obviously, compared to standard. Other than that, it's carbon fiber, it looks good. So stock airbox, stock everything, even this SAS, which I'm going to delete soon. There's a couple of videos of that. It's just this thing here, basically you plug up the two, and anything that's get into it you plug up and remove those two bolts because it just looks ugly. Car only has 130,000 Ks on it. It pretty much got imported into Australia in 2012, I think, with 90 something thousand Ks. So since 2012 to now, 9 years, it's only done 30 odd thousand Ks. So not too many at all. Had one owner that had it for the majority of its life, not really anything to it. Done all the major services, timing belt and all that stuff just got done. So that all got done at 118,000, so not long ago. So I'm pretty lucky there, don't have to worry about the belts or anything like that. But he did put a XZ heavy duty twin plate clutch on it, which, if you know twin plate clutches, yeah, you know they're good clutches basically. And a lip kit that's been painted, and you can tell from up close, probably won't be able to tell in the side. It's just got that orange peel finish to it, but I do want to upgrade to the carbon fiber splitters all around anyway. But besides the carbon fiber bonnet and the twin plate clutch, nothing else. Stock. I did pick up an exhaust for it, didn't need to show an install. It was 2 bolts, that was it, get off the hangers. Now when I show you it, which you would have seen already in some of the cinematics, it's sitting a bit under the Evo 8 rebar. Don't worry, the Evo 9 rebar is coming. Obviously, as you know, the price of Evos, I'm pretty much broke. Yeah, that's for an Evo 9 rebar. I don't know if you can see it properly. It's basically it's got a high flow cap on it, and then one small resonator hot dog, and then the 4-inch muffler tip, which I don't know how big the muffler is, but an X-Force muffler tip on it. All stainless, which is good. That's already sitting on the angle for an Evo 9 rebar. So once the Evo 9 rebar gets put on, it'll change the whole look of this car. Carbon fiber, the boot, the spoiler, it's got 2 scratches, one there and one there. Might be able to polish them out. The clear coat on my carbon fiber does not have the oxidation or peeling or anything on it. I'm completely surprised, because on all Evo 8s, that's what happens to them. Those big white spots on it, and the clear coat fades basically. So I'm really surprised with that. I've already been told by a couple of people, look, just watch out when you go to meets and stuff, because people will offer you money for it. It's got the carbon fiber inserts as well on the inside and the carbon fiber top. It is annoying when you look out the rearview mirror, because you can't really see the roofs of cars, if that gives you any hints, because can't see police lights or anything like that. I do maybe want to go wingless, but that's a different story for another day. Yeah, I'm going to debadge the back, paint the inside of the tail lights black like the Evo 9 ones. Engine bay, I'll say that as a secret for now. Stock power, this thing I think at all wheels is making like 160 odd kilowatts or something like that. Yeah, it's all-wheel drive, but when we're already rolling into it, man, the MPS is quicker. So yeah, definitely needs to be faster real quick. I'll show you on the interior. Interior is like immaculate. I can't, what's this? A bit of a leaf or something. Yeah, I can't fault it at all. The carpets are like brand new in it. Like I literally can't fault this. It's got a suede glove box. It's got the wiper on the back as well, which apparently, I don't know if it's like standard on the ones in Australia. I think they don't have them on there. I don't know. That's just what I've been told. So No idea. I don't know if that's only the Japanese ones that had the wiper on the back or if they all have it. No idea. So then on the interior, again, like immaculate. I'm so impressed with how it's been looked after. The guy I got it off only had it for about a year and didn't really drive the car, which is pretty good in my instance. Didn't really put K's on it, didn't really do anything to it. Stock shift knob, stock gearbox, 6-speed. It's got an Alpine head unit, which I haven't really been listening to the radio as this was the first proper drive. Today is currently Monday and I bought it last Wednesday, I think, Wednesday. And I basically just put it straight in the garage, bought the exhaust for it cheap, chucked it on. The ACD works in it as well, which you'll never use basically unless you're tracking it or rallying it basically. Does need an AFR gauge, does need a boost gauge. That will come all in time, but I basically just wanted to show you of what I've bought. Yeah, not really much else to show besides this is my new car. So now this is the car for the channel. Yeah, again, I've wanted this my whole life, an Evo 8, preferably white, which maybe I'll wrap it, maybe not. But yeah, always wanted a white Evo 8. Silver's easily my second color I wanted. Black, not really a fan of. The silver's good because when you put the rear bar on it, you'll see the diffusery, the black diffuser bit on it. That's definitely like got to be next because I can't stand, some of you guys might like it, but to me that just looks like a Lancer. I'm not about it. I'll try get some videos of, I'll start the car up, put the camera down and so you can hear the exhaust note. Stock exhaust sounds, which was on it, sounds absolutely poo. If you have an Evo and you got a stock exhaust, that's got to be like one of the first things you do, because at first I was like, this doesn't sound like a 4G63, why does it sound so weird? Put an exhaust on it, just took it for a drive now, get up to about 4,000 or 5,000 RPM, pew, sounds like a 4G, sounds proper. Yeah, big things to come for the engine bay and, well, the engine and stuff like that, but obviously that's a slow process as the MPS was just basically a turbo upgrade, if that gives you any ideas to what I could be doing. And I'll try get maybe tonight, which might be included into this, might get some more cinematics with the sun going down. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, RSK is a family, spread the word. We'll see you in the next one. Hope you're as excited as I am to be able to build my dream car. I literally was driving it here, whole smile on my face. I'm just like, I don't understand how I was just lucky to be able, well, you work hard, you get what you want. So lucky I didn't want a Ferrari or a GDR or something like that because they're very expensive. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps us out, especially subscribing. Tell all your friends about us and stuff. Support the locals if you're around here, and we'll see you in the next one. Catch you. My god, it's so freaking cold outside. We have got a tunes meet on tonight. We're just gonna head there now. I'm letting the Evo warm up a bit. It's like 4 degrees right now. I'm gonna meet up with the boys. I'm also gonna meet up with Aiden, who bought the MPS, and see how that's going, as he has done a bit to it and you guys haven't seen it yet. So we'll head there now. Also Vlad's coming as well in his XR6 Turbo, and a couple of other boys, and we'll get some clips down there and stuff like that. You know what, you know how it is. So we'll see you there. Well, made it tuned. Caught up with Aiden first originally, and he didn't want to get on camera, so maybe if we catch up with him later, we might be able to get something out of him. Massive turnout here. I'll get some cars on cam and see what we end up with. Here's the old rig. All he's really done is taken the grill out, but car sounds absolutely mental. He's also knocked out the cat, but we're not going to talk about that. It shoots massive flames. If I can get some clips while I'm driving, I'll get it. But other than that, it shoots massive flames. This is Kirsten's rig too. Cleanest Rexy. It's got a like real aggressive rear carbon like wing extension on it. Looks aggressive as. I won't show the I won't show the missing exhaust tip, but let's go look at some other cars that are around here. They're the seats I want, bro. See how he's got the nose chop? So it's the normal 8 grille, but the chop the... Yeah.
Good shot. That's nice.
Evo's clean as. Fuck, I need to set up like that. That's what I need next. Spaghetti. Oh, it's sheepy.
Sheepy
Fuck yeah. This thing is so freaking, so tidy. Spotted the hottest paint job, R34. Midnight purple. Good Nismo rims. They're beefy as. See the interior's got a... Oh, there's another one. That's a big fucking turbo, bro. Bagged Evo 7. It's probably sacked on its ass right now. Again.
Oh, and there's 7 over there.
Bro. It's got a massive, like, Voltex style spoiler on it. See, I got the carbon hood, but it's painted.
Oh,
yeah. The colour on this is insane. Oh, look at this. Miss 34. Yeah. So apparently it's on bags. Really? Oh yes. No. That's sick. Dude. That sits so neat, bro. Oh. So after, I don't know, an hour or so, this is what we end up with. Absolutely dead. But Evo's looking shmick. Now I'm gonna go get some cinematics for you guys and chuck it in the video, because this will be the end of the video for the I thought the tuned meet was gonna be a video in itself, but that's not happening because I don't have enough clips. So I'm just going to chuck it at the end of the Evo review video and that'll be it. So I've already said an outro, but anyway, RSK's a family, spread the word. We'll see you in the next one.